Aiden, you're starting us off. Example number 3 says, which of the fractions are in simplest form? How do you know? Aiden, let's start with 8/9. Is it in simplest form?
Yes.
Yes. And how do you know? There's nothing that goes into 8 and 9. We could do the latter if we wanted to, right? I mean, we could do that. But as soon as we do it, we say, okay, well, what goes into 8 and 9? Nothing but 1. So this thing is already reduced. Okay? Excellent. Now, let's see. Hannah, 12 over 27. Is it reduced? I don't think it is either. Let's find out. 12 and 27. What goes into both of them? We'll start with 2. Does 2 go into both of them? No. Then go to 3. Does 3 go into both of them? Yes. All right. 3 goes into 12 how many times? 4. And 3 goes into 9. 3 goes into 27? 9 times. Good. Now, Hannah, let me ask you this. Does anything go into 4 and 9? No. So my fraction is now 4/9. And it's reduced. Right? The fraction is right here. 4/9. Done. Excellent job, Hannah. Thank you so much. Okay. Allie, let's look at 9/23. Is that thing reduced? Is it in simplest form? No? Let's check it out. 9 and 23. Okay? Start with 2. Does 2 go into both of them? No. Does 3 go into both of them? No. 3 does not go into them either. How about 5? We only have to check prime numbers, right? Does 5 go into both of them? Zachary? No? No?
They're both prime numbers. Wait, no, they're not.
They're not both prime numbers. All you have to do really is look at the small one and say, okay, what goes into 9? Well, 1 does, but we're not going to use that. 3 does, and 9. Well, does 3 go into 23? No. Does 9 go into 23? No. Done. That's it. It actually is reduced. Okay? Nice. Moreau, is 10 over 55 reduced? Is it in simplest form? No. All right, I'll do my ladder. What goes into both of them? 5. 5 times what gives me 10? And 5 times what gives me 55? Does anything go into 2 and 11? No. So that's my fraction. 2 11ths. Perfect. Okay? Oh, let's see. What about the next one? Daniel? Is this in simplest form?
Yes.
Let's see. 13 and 52. Well, I'll tell you this, Evan. Evan's going to work with me on this one. Evan, what goes into 13? Only 13, right? 1 goes into it, but we can't use 1. Okay? But you're saying 13 goes into 13? 13 times 1 is 13. 13 times what gives me 52? 4. The fraction is 1 over 4. Nice. Nicely done. You have to check all of them, okay? It may be the number itself that goes into both of them, right? And that'll help us reduce. Okay, great job. Let me see. I'm going to check real quick just before we stop. Do we have another example? No, that's it for the day. You're welcome. Get started on your homework.